Alright everybody, so welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are installing the Tsudo titanium exhaust for the Subaru today. So it's not a Mustang video, today's going to be a little bit of Subaru. Subaru needs a new exhaust, so kind of went all out and got us a little burnt titanium tip here. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the guy who I originally bought is from, look at this thing. Patch this pieces together. So anyways, this part's all rotted, so we're gonna be throwing a new exhaust on this thing. Yeah, this thing leaks like a little bastard, so hopefully the headers are good. I haven't really looked at the headers too much, but the headers are bad, and I guess we're getting another set of headers. Maybe we'll get some UELs on this. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so we just got that first flange done. Now it's on to the second one here. It's just gonna be a pain in the ass, of course. I'm gonna have to jack it up a little bit more. I think maybe this thing might have to be on all fours for some reason, but anyways. Honestly, I might just even cut it out. Get a sawzall in there and just fucking give her hell. Or I might just even, because the other ones were 14 mils, so I'm wondering if this is also a 14. Yeah, just gonna hammer out fast. Oh man, it's a little bit of a reach, honestly. Oh, she's too big. Shit. On the other side. Is that 14? Yeah. Oh, I need a wrench on that one. I don't know why, for some reason it's probably gonna be a fucking dumb size. Oh man, that shit looks rounded. It's not a 13. Is it 13? That looks rounded as fucking anything. Give me like one of those sizes I don't have or something. Fucker. It's a ½ inch. This thing is fucking warped. Oh shit, knocked over the camera. There it goes. Alright, so we ended up cutting this thing out, and this thing just, look how bad in shape that is. That is insane. And then still got the other part hooked up there. So I guess we're going to go do that. But this thing's just hanging now, so I can't imagine how bad the other side of this is. If this is the way it is for just a mid pipe here. So anyways, we'll get back into it. Alright, so pretty much we're on the last few steps here. Yeah, this thing was completely rotted. So this other half here just completely obliterated. That's awesome. Love it. Love it. This happens when you have a 180,000 kilometer Subaru. But anyways, kind of give it some goodies. So now, I mean, the hangers kind of all went well, so there's that. But kind of want to start this thing having no cat, or not no cat, but no exhaust, and see how fucking loud this thing is. That's a story for a different day, though. That's probably when we do the unequal lengths, probably eventually in the future. But so far so good. Now it's time to install this little bastard. Ugh. So it can't be that bad, but man, it was super easy to pull this guy out. The muffler just sits in there, so it's nothing too crazy. This one exhaust hanger was a bitch, so I had to cut that. Yeah, it's pretty mangled now. Anyways, it's out. So now it's just going to go to scrap, and even the muffler's not in good shape. Holy shit, you can probably poke a hole right through. There's already holes through it. So anyways, there's that. So anyways, this thing's gonna get some goodies, and we'll be back in a minute. So I guess a little update from last time. We got this whole thing full of new exhaust all the way from the cat. Actually got a new cat because the old cat was rotted out, so it's in pretty bad shape, but we got this thing going. I don't think anything else recorded because the camera died, which is totally awesome. So we're gonna fill this with some drive-bys and some flybys, you know, all that stuff. So anyways, let's get right into it.